Welcome to this complete Fairbanks, Alaska travel guide. Tucked away in the heart of Alaska's interior, Fairbanks is a city that thrives amidst the wilderness. Its unique location offers a plethora of activities for the adventurous spirit. From witnessing the mesmerizing northern lights to exploring the gold rush history at Pioneer Park, and from rejuvenating at Chena Hot Springs Resort to taking a day trip to the Arctic Circle, we have 10 fantastic experiences lined up for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the first activity. First on our list is the mesmerizing Northern Lights, or aurora borealis. The best time to see this celestial ballet is during the long, dark nights of winter from late September to early April. Now, you might be wondering, what's the ideal viewing condition? Well, you'll want clear skies and minimal light pollution. You see, the Northern Lights are a bit like a diva. They prefer to perform under the perfect conditions. Fairbanks, Alaska, is one of the best places in the world to witness this spectacle. Nestled deep within the auroral oval, the city offers an unbeatable front row seat to the dance of these ethereal lights. The vibrant hues of green, purple, and pink, swirling and twirling in the sky, are truly a sight to behold. Remember, patience is key. So bundle up, grab a cup of hot cocoa, and let the universe put on a show. A visit to Fairbanks isn't complete without witnessing this spectacular cosmic show. Next, we have the Thompson Cultural and Visitors Center. This distinctive destination is more than just a visitor's center. It's a celebration of the rich cultural tapestry of Alaska. Inside, you'll find exhibits that delve into the history and heritage of the local Athabascan people, giving you a deep understanding of their traditions, art, and way of life. The center itself is a marvel of architecture, reflecting the landscape and culture of Alaska. Its design is inspired by the state's unique geography, with elements that echo the majestic peaks, flowing rivers, and vast wilderness that define this extraordinary region. In addition to its cultural exhibits, the center serves as a hub for local information, providing resources, maps, and tips for exploring Fairbanks and beyond. Whether you're looking for the best spots to view the Northern Lights or seeking advice on the most scenic hiking trails, the friendly staff are always ready to share their local knowledge. This center is a one-stop shop for all things Fairbanks. Time to relax at the Chena Hot Springs Resort. Nestled in the heart of the Alaskan wilderness, this resort promises more than just a comfortable stay. It's an absolute haven for those seeking tranquility and an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The resort boasts of top-notch facilities that cater to every whim and fancy of its guests. Whether you're a foodie, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who enjoys a good book by the fireside, there's something here for you. But the real star of the show here is the unique hot springs. These geothermal wonders, heated by the Earth's own warmth, offer a bathing experience like no other. Imagine immersing yourself in these naturally warm waters, surrounded by snow-capped mountains and under the vast Alaskan sky. It's a rejuvenating experience that soothes the body, calms the mind, and uplifts the spirit. A dip in these springs is sure to leave you refreshed and recharged. Next, we explore the University of Alaska Museum of the North. Tucked away in the heart of Fairbanks, this museum is a gateway into the last frontier's past. Its collections are as vast as the Alaskan wilderness itself, boasting over 1.5 million artifacts and specimens, from the ancient ivory carvings of the indigenous people to the modern art pieces that capture the spirit of Alaska. Each exhibit tells a story. The museum offers a deep dive into the rich cultural tapestry of the state, showcasing the traditions, lifestyles, and resilience of its people. The fossil collections are quite a spectacle too. They unveil prehistoric Alaska, when woolly mammoths roamed the tundra and dinosaurs left their footprints in the mud. The ethnographic and fine arts collections, meanwhile, provide a peek into the artistic heritage and contemporary creativity of Alaska. So whether you're a history enthusiast, culture lover, or art aficionado, this museum has something for you. This museum is a treasure trove for history buffs and culture enthusiasts alike. Let's take a scenic riverboat cruise on the Chena River. Imagine the gentle lapping of the river against the boat as you glide through the pristine Alaskan wilderness. The Chena River, an enchanting ribbon of water, weaves its way through the heart of Fairbanks, presenting a panorama of beauty that captures the soul. On this mesmerizing journey, you'll witness the rugged grandeur of Alaska's landscape, the charming riverside cabins, and the breathtaking wildlife. A bald eagle perched on a distant tree, moose grazing near the water's edge, or beavers busily building their homes. Every turn of the river reveals a new scene from the grand theater of nature. This riverboat cruise offers an unmatched blend of serenity and adventure. It's an opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connect with the timeless beauty of the Alaskan wilderness. So sit back, relax, and let the Chena River tell its stories. This cruise is a must-do for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts. Coming up next is a visit to the running Reindeer Ranch. Nestled in the heart of Fairbanks, this ranch offers a unique Alaskan experience that you won't want to miss. The ranch is home to a herd of friendly reindeer who are more than happy to interact with visitors. You'll have the chance to spend time with these fascinating creatures, learn about their habits and their important role in Alaskan culture and history. Participate in a variety of activities, from feeding the reindeer to joining them on a woodland walk. It's not every day that you get to stroll through the forest with a reindeer by your side. Whether you're a nature lover, an animal enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a memorable adventure, this experience is sure to leave a lasting impression. So come and immerse yourself in the magic of the running Reindeer Ranch. This is a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with these majestic creatures. Now let's experience dog sledding with a local tour operator. There's something uniquely thrilling about the moment when a team of eager huskies spring into action. Their howls of excitement replaced by the soft whisper of sled runners gliding across the snow. It's a symphony of movement, a dance between human and animal, a testament to the bond that exists between us. The dogs are trained with love and respect, their excitement palpable as they pull the sled with unmatched vigor. They're not just transportation, they're companions, each with their own unique personality. The mushers, skilled and passionate, guide these teams through the Alaskan wilderness with a sense of camaraderie that is truly inspiring. As the sled rushes through the snow, the wind in your face, the world blurring by, you feel a surge of adrenaline. It's more than just a ride, it's an exhilarating immersion in the wild beauty that is Alaska. Dog sledding is a heart-pounding, breathtaking adventure, a celebration of life in its purest form. This is a must-try activity for adventure seekers. Next, we explore Pioneer Park and delve into Gold Rush history. This 32-acre city park, nestled in Fairbanks, Alaska, is more than just a playground of fun and frolic. It's a living, breathing time capsule, transporting us back to the late 19th century when the gold rush was in full swing. As we meander through the park, we encounter a fascinating array of attractions, from the charming historic railroad car Num 67 to the SS Nenana, one of the last paddle-wheel riverboats to ply the waters of the mighty Yukon River. Marvel at the Gold Rush town, a replica of what Fairbanks looked like 100 years ago, brimming with antique cabins, stores and artifacts, each echoing tales of the pioneers who shaped this land. The park's historical significance is undeniable, offering insights into an era of grit, gumption and golden dreams. This park is a window into Fairbanks' rich and vibrant past. Next on our list is a day trip to the Arctic Circle. Imagine embarking on a journey to an almost otherworldly landscape, where the sun doesn't set in summer and barely rises in winter. That's precisely what a day trip to the Arctic Circle offers. The journey itself is a marvel, a scenic drive through unspoiled wilderness, with every turn revealing a fresh panorama. You'll traverse vast tundra past towering mountains and cross over the mighty Yukon River. The landscape is raw and breathtaking, a testament to nature's unyielding power and beauty. The thrilling moment of crossing the Arctic Circle, that invisible line of latitude at 66 degrees north, is a bucket list achievement. The sense of awe and accomplishment is palpable, a feeling heightened by the stark beauty of the surroundings. This trip provides a unique perspective on the world, a chance to witness the extremes of nature and the resilience of life in such a harsh environment. This trip is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that you shouldn't miss. Finally, we visit the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum. Nestled in the heart of Fairbanks, this gem is a delightful detour into the fascinating world of vintage automobiles. The museum's collection boasts over 85 meticulously restored vehicles, each a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of bygone eras. Marvel at the exhibits showcasing the evolution of the automobile from horseless carriages to classic roadsters. Each vehicle tells a unique story, providing insights into the technological innovations and design trends that have shaped our modern cars. The museum also highlights the role of automobiles in Alaska's history. Imagine the thrill of early Alaskans experiencing the freedom of the open road for the first time. It's a journey through time, from the rugged pioneer days to the elegance of the Jazz Age and beyond. Whether you're a motorhead or just love a good story, the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum offers a captivating glimpse into the past. This museum is a must-visit for car enthusiasts and history buffs. And there you have it, 10 unforgettable activities to do in Fairbanks, Alaska. From the mesmerizing Northern Lights to the enriching Thompson Center, the relaxing Chena Hot Springs Resort to the enlightening University of Alaska Museum, the scenic Chena River Cruise, the distinctive running Reindeer Ranch, the exhilarating dog sledding, the historic Pioneer Park, the adventurous Arctic Circle day trip, and the fascinating Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in the heart of Alaska. Fairbanks,